Hi, I'm Dave Schwensen, and if you're watching this during any other time of the year and wondering what is going on with the fake fire and the Christmas tree, well, I just finished doing a video conference and it happens to be before the holidays, and as long as the camera's set up, I thought I should use it to tell you about the program. Plus, I figure if you're watching this in the middle of summer, it could be kind of funny. What the heck is this guy doing? The name of the program is called Creativity and Humor, Building the Foundation for Better Communications. That's really what it's about. All right? It's about ice breaking, it's about team building, it's about networking. We talk about what makes you laugh and how to share that with others. And we start out with a very simple question. How are you? What do you normally say? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? Then you stand around and stare at your shoes for a while, hoping somebody says something clever. Well, this is an opportunity for you to come up with something clever, to start the conversation, to stand out from the crowd. And again, ice breaking, networking, team building. You can read more about it here. It's called Creativity and Humor, Building the Foundation for Better Communications. My name is Dave Schwensen. I'm author of the book, How to Be a Working Comic, and a few others that are on the site. And you can always contact me through here. Keep it in mind, it's a fun program, and we laugh a lot.